Hey, how are you doing today, Mr. David? Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. My name is John Kirkpatrick. I own To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, Texas, just south of Fort Worth. And I wanted to just go over a few quick things with your website here today. And the reason I do this is that I found a lot of people don't know who to trust when hiring a marketer. So I found that the easiest way to get more customers for my business is just to kind of give them this free attack plan that they can do themselves. I'm going to show you everything that I would do to get your website to rank. And if you'd like help with it at the end of the video, just reach back out to me. I'll be happy to talk to you, answer any questions you may have, and help you figure it out. Alright, so I want to go over content, citations, and backlinks. So content is just basically everything on your home page here or any page that you have that can be highlighted, any pictures, basically everything you see on here is content. So my tip would be that you need to have a little bit more content. Content is 100% always king with Google. The more the better. Usually 1,500 to 2,000 words of content is what you're looking for. And you want to make sure you have your keywords and your headings up here. So this heading, you want to make sure it is, something that's getting searched for. So AC repair McKinney, HVAC McKinney, something of that nature. And then you can also make it seem more natural by saying something like, we provide AC repair, McKinney, Texas Residents Trust, something of that nature. And that will help you get found for more keywords, just making sure you're doing your keyword research and putting that in your content. So just as kind of a comparison, this is Joplins. They're one of your #1 competitors here in McKinney. And what they're doing, they've got headings with their keywords in them and then a bunch of content underneath it. And then they just keep doing that. And then they've got, all of their pictures on there as well. Another tip is you can save your pictures as something you want to be found for too. So you can tell an image to save as. You can usually, see this is Happy Family, you could be saving your pictures as keywords that you want to be found for, such as HVAC McKinney or AC Repair McKinney. So I punched in here AC Repair McKinney, and I can see that you're running an ad up here, so I can tell that you want more business. And I do not see you pulling up in this Google My Business or Google Business Profile or a Google Map Pack. It's called a bunch of different things. I don't see you pulling up in these top 3. And you can see that it doesn't take a ton of reviews. People just think it's based on reviews. Like this company has 611, this company only has 82, but they're still ranking ahead of them. The #1 thing you can do to get your Google My Business profile to pull up in this section is you want to get as many citations as you can. Now, a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number. Exactly as it is in your Google My Business. You want to make sure everything matches. Get that listed in as many different directories as you can. So Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, even your Facebook page counts. Any place you can get those 3 things listed, that will help you get found and get pulled up here first in this section. Now you are ranking #3 right here, Burnside AC in McKinney, and that's not bad, but I kind of wanted to show you what Joplin is doing and how to beat them and get some of the traffic that they're getting. So this is your site here, burnsideac.com, and I plugged it into Ahrefs. This is a tool that costs about $100 a month depending on what plan you get, and I would highly recommend you get it if you want to go after this yourself, because it helps you figure out where your backlinks are coming from and, more importantly, where your competitors' backlinks are coming from. So you've got 78 different websites giving you links. You're being found for about 2,000 organic keywords, and it's driving 500 people a month to your website organically. But if we come over here and look at Joplins, we can see what they're doing. They have got 309 websites pointing to them, and they are being found for 5.6 thousand organic keywords, and it's driving 2,500 people a month to their website organically. So that's 5 times the amount of traffic that you're getting, and over double of the amount of keywords that they are getting found for. So to beat them, I would simply tell you to come in here and click on the referring domains and figure out wherever they're getting their backlinks from, and just go get backlinks from those same sources. So whatever they're doing is obviously working, so we just call it a copycat method. If they've got a link, we want it too. And then match them and just don't stop there. So if they've got 309, go out and get yourself 325, 350. make sure you can absolutely crush them and dominate them, take that first spot. And then I can tell you're obviously doing a lot of SEO because you are ranking high in a lot of cities, but I just wanted to kind of show you where you're missing out on a couple of different things. So AC repair in Anna gets searched 250 times a month, and it is a 0 keyword difficulty. So the person that's ranking top here in Anna, and you're in the 10th position, the person that's ranking number 1 is getting 90 clicks a month to their website. So you could very easily take over that position just by having the right content on your back page for Anna here, because you do have a back page for it. So and then there's just a few things that you could be doing better in a few different cities. So if you want more business, I'd recommend kind of building out your back page and back pages for Plano and Anna and your surrounding cities. And that way you're not going to have to pay for ads. You'll just be ranking organically and have all the business you could want. So that's all my tips for you on backlinks. And then we talked about citations. Definitely getting your Google My Business page up in this top 3 will definitely help you get found and get more customers for you. And then we talked about your content, making sure that you have enough words on your homepage so you'll be found, and also making sure you can work in some more organic keywords. So that is the tips that I have for you, David. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I hope you found it informative, and you can use some of the information. If you'd like help with any of this, please reach out to me. My number is 469-247-1707, and I would love your feedback. Just, you don't have to use me, but I'd love to know what you thought of this and if you found it informative. So I hope you have a great day, David. Take care. God bless.